Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Tom Spark and today we're going to be talking about how to unblock the US version of Netflix on your PS4. So if you live in Canada, Australia, or anywhere else in the world and you're watching Netflix, you may notice that you're missing some content in TV shows or movies that people on the US version of Netflix have. The reason is that the US version of Netflix is actually the best version of Netflix with the most content available. So if you're not using the US version of Netflix, you're going to be missing out on some content that you could be watching right now. So how can you get access to the US version of Netflix on your PS4? Well guys, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a VPN router and a VPN subscription. You might be wondering, why not just use some kind of proxy or DNS solution? And you could go ahead and look on YouTube right now on some of the top played, the most relevant searches with how to unblock the US Netflix on PS4. And you can find that a lot of these videos, if you categorize the comments, no longer work. That's because Netflix has gotten increasingly intelligent, and they even have people on their team rooting out and blocking proxy and DNS switchers because they want to protect their licensed content around the world. So you're going to need a really powerful and 100% reliable solution, and that's what I'm offering you here today. So guys, if you go ahead and look right here, you're going to see a GLI mini VPN router AR300M. Now this little bad boy is only $50, but this is quite a powerful and conveniently sized router that is going to allow you access to the US version of Netflix. Now you might be wondering, well, why can't I use my normal router? Well, the reason is that this router is flashed with open WRT pre-installed VPN software. So a lot of routers, it's pretty tricky and hard to flash them to this software. And if you just want the simplest way, I would go ahead and purchase this router, and I'm going to put a link down in the description below to make it convenient for you. So guys, you're going to need this router, and this router is going to be how you access US version of Netflix on your PS4. Basically what you're going to do, as I'm going to explain later on in the video as well, is connect to this router's connection on your PS4, and then it's as simple as that. You're going to be able to access any content you want. Additionally guys, you're also going to need to purchase a VPN subscription, and you're going to be able to do that on torguard.net. You're going to want to pick out this package here, click buy VPN now. Once you do that guys, you're going to see it's around at $9.99 a month. If you want to pick longer subscriptions, you're going to get a better deal, but it's more of a commitment. Once you do that, you're going to want to pick a streaming IP for USA, another $8 a month. So guys, it's going to be around $18 a month or so, but luckily for you, my discount code BEST10VPN entered on checkout is going to make that price reduced in half. I'll go show you how to do that right now. As you can see here, we have the promotional code right here. Just enter that in right here. BEST10VPN. Click go. As you can see guys, it's only $8.99 a month to access the US version of Netflix. This is the cheapest you're gonna see guys. Some other VPNs that do work with Netflix that don't offer company sold routers is conveniently made. You're gonna see NordVPN is gonna be around $11.95 a month. You're gonna see some other VPNs like Viper VPN. Most recently I reviewed Hotspot. Some other VPNs are all a little bit pricey, $12 to $13 a month. And in this instance, you're actually getting a dedicated IP, which actually has other uses as well, like being able to use online banking and not getting locked out due to having an anonymous IP. So guys, this way is the cheapest way to unblock Netflix with 100% certainty on your PS4 or even your computer as well. If you want to learn how to do that, check out some of the videos on the channel, how to unblock Netflix with Torguard or something like that. But anyways guys, let's go ahead and show you how to do that now. Once you purchase this router, once you purchase this VPN subscription, again, check the links in the description down below. And now I'm going to show you how to do that once you got everything mailed and right at your doorstep. Alright guys, so go ahead and unbox that router that you got, and now we're going to plug it into the power as well as plugging it into your modem. This is how the internet connection is going to be received into the router. Now if you want to use Ethernet on your PS4 to get a faster connection, you could do that as well. Go ahead and plug that into the LAN port, and then plug the internet into the WAN port from your modem. So now that you have plugged in your router to the power and plugged in the internet into the WAN port, you're going to want to go to 192.168.8.1. Once you get to this website and you're connected to your router, you're going to want to set a password to log in. And then once you do this, it's going to take you to the next interface page. Once you get into the main interface page, one thing you might want to consider doing is navigating to the wireless settings tab. Once you're here, you're going to be able to change the password for the Wi-Fi. By default, it should be something like Good Life. You might want to check the brochure or whatever comes with your router to make sure what the default password is. You could change the ID of the password here, and you could go ahead and change the password as well, just to make sure no one's getting on your router. Alright guys, so I'm going to put the link in the description down below, but to create the config file is the central part into allowing your router's connection to TorGuard to unblock US Netflix. So guys, once you submit that support ticket after you purchase that dedicated streaming IP, as well as your VPN subscription, you're going to get an email with your IP like so. Once you get that IP, you're just going to copy and paste it into this box up here. And now mine's going to be blurred out because I don't want you stealing my IP that I bought. But anyways guys, once you get that IP, put it in here. Now, remember when we bought this router, it's an open WRT router. For some reason, it's kind of glitchy here with TorGuard's website. And I contacted support, and actually you're going to have to pick this ASUS option to get this working. So go ahead and just pick this ASUS option for now. Leave all these settings pretty much blank and generate that config file. Go ahead and click that. And now you're going to get a file downloaded to your taskbar in the browser or in your download folder on your computer. And then you're going to go back to your GLI settings here. Go ahead and click on Open VPN. And then what you're going to want to do is upload a new document here. And go ahead and drag your document that you downloaded, your config file. And this is where you're going to have to verify yourself with your VPN credentials, not your router, but your VPN credentials. So guys, once you got that, you just submit that, and then it's going to connect. Maybe you just give it a couple seconds to verify that connection, guys. But once you do this, you're pretty much good to go. I'm going to show you how to connect to it on your PS4. But right now, I'm connected to the router with my computer, plugged in with Ethernet, or you can test it out connected to the Wi-Fi. But as you can see here, we have Netflix. I'm just going to reload to prove it to you guys. And you're not going to see any kind of proxy error here, even though I am connected to a VPN router with that connection, guys. Alright guys, welcome back. So now that you've set up this VPN router with your dedicated IP on the Wi-Fi, what you're going to want to do is connect your PS4 to this Wi-Fi signal. And then once you do that, you can get the US Netflix version on your PS4, or even get access to HULU or Crunchyroll, or really any other service that's restricted to the US. So guys, let's check out how to do that. So first thing we're going to want to do is go to your settings on your PS4. Go ahead and go to Network. We're going to want to pick up your internet connection, so set up Wi-Fi connection. And then go to Custom. We're going to want to pick the Wi-Fi network that we want to use. So here we see some options. We're going to pick this one, my Wi-Fi that I created with my router. So this is the mini VPN router right here. And now we're going to enter in the password here, guys. Now that we entered in the password, found that Wi-Fi signal from the mini VPN router, we could go ahead and connect to it, guys. So right now we're connecting. Looks like we're just going to set this pretty much standard stuff here. Automatic, do not use, and test internet connection just to see how it's working. So plenty of download and upload speed to get that started. So guys, let's go ahead and find Netflix. Alright guys, so we're connected to the VPN router's Wi-Fi connection. And now we're going to see if Netflix actually works with this dedicated IP Wi-Fi connection through the mini VPN router. Go ahead and test it on this bad boy. Alright, there you go guys. As you can see, VPN router's Wi-Fi is streaming Netflix through my PS4. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video on how to block the US version of Netflix on your PS4. This also applies to Xbox One if you want, or really any other streaming device out there. You could use the same method, just connect to your router's Wi-Fi. It's going to work on your Fire Stick, your Apple TV, your PS4, your Xbox One, anything that you want, guys. So guys, thanks for checking out this video, and be the cool person to give me a like, comment, or subscribe on this video. Help my channel grow. As you can see, this content is unique and educational and really full of facts that you can't find elsewhere on YouTube, because other people are showing methods that don't really work. So guys, thanks for watching again, and I'll catch you on the next one.